All right, I am back. Well, sort of back. I was in Cleveland teaching a class all day last week. It's Veterans Day. Finally get a day off. Yeah, it's rough when you're gone. I was gone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. the last few days. And then I got sick. Then I lost my voice. Brutal, brutal. So now it's Veterans Day, and I'm still a little sick and didn't go out and get my veterans meal. I guess I still got an hour, but whatever. It's not going to happen. So I'm a little bitter. And guess what? I even made it worse. I was sick yesterday. I made a video yesterday that I decided not to post it because I was coughing and drinking water and stuff during the video. But I did manage to make my week worse, and I'll show you here in a second. All right, we got the S&P. Check out this S&P. It's pretty crazy. We had Jerome-Powell speak right here, and he immediately lost the market, 20 points. Then it just tried to rebound, and then it just melted to the downside. Absolutely horrible. And then we had this nice melt that we're going on to the upside. Hopefully, we'll overtake this 4,400 and we'll be good. But let's take a look at my video from yesterday that I didn't post. This is what it looked like at 12:30, right before Jerome Powell spoke. I thought it was another free money day because, see, right out of the gate, we opened up. Well, let me press play. Right out of the gate, we opened up at this 43.30. I thought it made the top for the day. And then I thought this was the bottom for the day, 43.70, and we were just going to coast in between here. You know why? Because I didn't do my research. I didn't know that Jerome Powell was going to step into the market. So guess what I did? I sold put credit spread where I was short this 43.65, and I was short the 4,400 on the call side. Now this is what I was looking at. This is the gap that I used. This is the spread that I used from. It was a 5-day spread from here up to here, and I used that. I said, you know what? We're not going to break through this last 5-day trench right here. We're not going to break out of this. We're probably going to stay in that 43.65, 4,400 on the calls, or on the long side, short side, 43.45 and 44.20, which means I am on the hook for about $2,000 if this goes against me. Well, 16.95. That's minusing out the 305 that I got for the spread. So, this is what made my week much worse. Now, this was for the 9th. And if you look here, this is for November 9th. This was in my video from yesterday. I sold out of this, or I bought this back for $250, sold this for $250, and had to get out of this for $250. This I let expire. I didn't go back and buy these. They go once they hit $250, they automatically trigger. Now look at the put on 43.65. $1,650. I took a max loss on this. I took a max loss on the $1,650 minus the $300 that I got to premium I got yesterday. So I took a $1,300 max loss on this spread because I did not do my homework. So this was this 43.65 right here, and it held for a second. It held for a second from here to here, and then it just broke through the bottom. This took about an hour to break through the bottom, and then it just slowly melted to the downside. So that was a max loss spread, and it just made my week horrific. And there's no hiding from it. You got to face it. You got to face it, and you got to live to trade another day. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, what I also did was I bought some AGNC. AGNC was upgraded. Their price target was upgraded, and they were upgraded to a buy. Actually, no, their price target was lowered from 11 to 9, but they were upgraded to outperform. So I don't know why analysts do that. They'll also up the price target, and then they'll downgrade it to underperform. I don't know why they do that, but anyways, it's a 17% return, people. 17%. This is a popular REIT, AGNC. It's paying 17% at the 850 level yesterday. I bought it at 850 right before the market crash, or right before Jerome-Powell spoke. So I'm locking in that 850. But then I go ahead and lose $1,600. So yeah, horrible day, but we can't hide from our losses. Can't do it. Just got to take it and live to fight another day.